Oasis Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser with Filtration System and Universal Installation Kit. Nearly everything you could want from a water cooler, and it only uses slightly more space than a Keurig. This water dispenser uses a direct line connection to provide you with hot or cold water on demand. The stainless steel reserve helps preserve the taste and quality of your drinking water. This Oasis Countertop Water Dispenser is the best countertop water dispenser for office use. For a direct connection, this water dispenser is surprisingly easy to set up. The Universal Installation Kit has thorough instructions for a variety of water line types. You will need access to your under-the-sink water line. For great tasting water in seconds, you can count on this Oasis Bottleless Water Cooler. The unit has an internal 2-stage filtering and purification system that does need occasional maintenance.